5 things that AI should never do. 1. Must not violate user privacy. AI systems are designed to respect user privacy. This means they should not collect, store, or share personal data without explicit user consent. Every interaction should be secure and transparent, ensuring that users feel safe. Violating privacy can lead to serious legal and ethical consequences. 2. Must not provide medical or legal advice. AI is not qualified to give medical or legal advice, as it lacks the expertise and context that professionals in these fields possess. For example, diagnosing a medical condition or providing legal counsel requires a deep understanding of specific situations that AI cannot have. It is always best to consult a doctor or lawyer for relevant information and advice. 3. Must not promote violence or hate. AI should not support or incite violence, hate, or discrimination against any group or individual. Promoting such behavior can have serious societal consequences and contribute to toxic environments. The goal of AI is to foster positive communication and understanding among people. 4. Must not spread misinformation. AI should strive to provide accurate and verified information. Spreading misinformation can have severe consequences, including misunderstandings and poor decision-making. In an age of information overload, it is crucial for AI systems to be responsible and rely on trustworthy sources of information. 5. Must not replace human interaction. While AI can provide useful information and support, it cannot replace the emotional support and interaction offered by humans. Human relationships are complex and often require empathy, understanding, and emotional intelligence, qualities that AI does not possess. In situations where emotional support is needed, it is important to reach out to friends, family, or professionals. If you found this discussion insightful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content on AI and technology. And don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think are other important boundaries for AI?